everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use cloning inside our Scratch projects. So cloning is an easy way to create multiples of the same sprite. Like for example, if you have created a sprite and if you want to create the duplicates of that sprite, so we use the concept of cloning. So we can use cloning to make many objects and create cool effects inside our project, right? So let's start with it. Let's explore how we can use this. So first of all, again, you have to open an existing Scratch project or you can create your new one. So like I have created one more project here and I'm using this sprite here, that is the balloon sprite. So I'll be cloning this balloon, right? So the cloning blocks are available inside the control toolbox here. This is the control. And inside this you'll be having the cloning blocks, right? You can see them here. So we have when I start as a clone, create clone of myself, delete this clone, all these are the cloning blocks here, right? So now what I have to do, what I'm doing here is, as I need to make the clones of this balloon, so first of all I'm saying that if I click on the flag, I need to do something. What I need to do is, I need to create a clone of myself, then I need to wait for a few seconds, right? And this thing should be done forever, right? It should like move in a loop, fine. Now what the balloon should do, when the balloon will start as a clone, why I'm using myself here? Because I just have one sprite here. Let's say you have 2 or 3 sprites and inside a sprite you want to clone some other sprite, you can use that sprite instead. You have the option to choose here. I just have one sprite, so you can see this, that it started to make the clone of itself, right? You can see the balloons moving here. Now what I have done inside here is, again I'm doing the same thing, like these are the instructions for the balloon, like what the balloon should do. It should move 5 steps, right? If it touched the edge, then the clone should be deleted. Like if the balloon will reach here at the edge, this particular clone will be deleted and the newer clones will be like they will kept on creating, right? So what we have done here is, first of all I have given the instructions that the balloon should make the clones of itself. Which kind of clones? It should move 5 steps in this direction, in the right direction, and if it touched the edge, that particular clone should be deleted, right? I'm again clicking on the flag and you can see the clones have started to create. Now you can see as soon as the balloon is like the clone is touching the edge, it is deleting itself, right? So this is how it works, how you can clone something. So you can either take a custom sprite or you can make your own sprite from here. So you have the paint here. You can either create the sprite from here or you can directly use the custom sprites that you already have. But it should be done in the same way, right? For the balloon, you can see it here. I have just created the clone of the balloon and then I have given the instructions like when the clone should be created. If that clone touches the edge, it should be deleted again, right? So this is how we can do this. I just hope this part is clear to you. So what I'll do is, I'll add a link in the description box. There you can see more projects of cloning, like what other students have done, and you can try to clone your own, like you can create your own Scratch projects where you'll be cloning the sprites. So thank you.